Namah Shivaya children. Welcome to the Amrita classes. Today we shall be starting with the geography lesson. Until now, geography which you have studied is quite different from the geography lessons which you are studying, and this is the base of all the lessons. That is the first lesson in the geography, that is India, size and location. Children, India is known for its rich and commercial heritage. India has been home to some of the oldest civilizations in the world, such as the Indus Valley Civilization. The last 5 decades have seen India evolving from its culturally rich image to one of the fastest growing economies of the world. The country has shown substantial development in the agricultural, industrial, and also technological sectors. In addition to this, India has also significantly contributed to the world history also. Now, let us learn a little bit more about this country that is emerging as a fascinating blend of culture and technology. We will start by locating India on the world map. So here you can see our country India in the yellow color, that is the Asian continent. The lines that you can see here, we call them as longitude and latitudes, and we shall also learn about this longitude, meaning of latitude, and also hemisphere. Let us look at this in a closer manner. Now, before this, we shall see the shape of our earth. What is the shape of earth, children? Is it round? No. We call the shape of the earth is spherical. Spherical in shape. Can you see in the picture, children? Yes. Now, let us now study the longitudes, latitudes also. First of all, longitudes. Longitudes, you can see here, children, they are going from north to south pole. And the main line of longitude, we will call it as prime meridian. And in the same manner, you have the parallels also. Parallel lines which are there are the latitudes. So, you have the north pole also, south pole also. But remember, children, actually these do not exist in reality. These are imaginary lines. Coming to the another picture of this, here we can see the northern hemisphere, and you have the north pole here, and down you have the south pole, and upper part is the northern hemisphere, and down one is the southern hemisphere, and we have the Tropic of Cancer. Then equator is in the middle of the earth, children. We have Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, and also South Pole. So you can see here again I have put the location of India. Where is India here? If we see in the continent, it lies in the northern hemisphere. The latitude extends between 8 degree 4 inches north and 37 degree 6 inches north longitude. It extends between 68 degree 7 inches east and 97 degree 25 inches east. Now, coming to this Tropic of Cancer, it is 23 degree 30 inches north. It divides the country into 2 equal parts. And you have, our country also has islands, that is the Andaman, Nicobar and Lakshadweep Islands are also there. You can see another picture here, children. This is the Tropic of Cancer. It is 23 degree 30 inches north. It is dividing the country here. You can see these are all, you have to remember, imaginary lines. You can also see the equator here. Okay. Now coming to the India and the world. How is the contact? Now India is officially, we call it as Republic of India. India has longest coastline. Because of this, there is a ocean that is named after India. We call it as Indian Ocean. In 1969, the Suez Canal was operated, which reduced the distance from Europe by 7,000 kilometers. So it was nearer. So easily we could travel from here to the other country, and also to our country also they could come. India is called the subcontinent. Why do we call it? Because of its importance. India is the most populous country, which has population of more than 1.2 billion people. Now let us study what is the significance of the India's location. The trans-Indian ocean routes that are connecting the industrially developed countries of Europe in the west and the underdeveloped countries of the East Asia is very improving our trade of India with other countries. Then India, because of its central location in South Asia, it enjoys an advantageous position because of the trade. Then it can easily have a trade with Australia and countries of Africa, then Middle East and the Far East. Thus, India dominates the Indian Ocean and also commands an important strategic position. It helps India, this location which is there, of which we are having now, it helps India to keep a close contact for business purpose with West Asia, Africa and Europe from western coast, and Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. So you can understand, children, here that our India's location, which is there in the continent of Asia, is serving us in several manners. So in the next class, I will be telling about the size of our India and also the neighbors who are there. Okay. That's all for today, children. Namah Shivaya.